Let's see how to do a dotted underline in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and try to underline this text. For example, go ahead and click on the underline icon right here. And as you can see, we have a straight horizontal line under our text. Now let's say that we want to change that into a dotted line. So what we can do is first, you will see this drop down option beside the underline option. And from here, you will see a lot of different lines, including a double line, a thicker underline, and dotted underline. Now let's go ahead and click on the dotted underline. And as you can see, we now have a dotted underline. And there are also a lot of other options that you can choose from. For example, if you click on more underlines, we can see that there are a lot of different effects, including strike-throughs, superscripts, and subscripts. We can also change the underline color if we want to. Now, click on OK to apply all those changes that you've made. And that is how you can do a dotted underline in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.